This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by mapping the signal path, compressor output into your interface input. Physically place the compressor near your interface to use short cables and avoid noise. Once done, switch your interface input to line if the compressor is processing line-level audio or instrument if required. This prevents gain mismatch. Make sure phantom power is off unless the compressor needs it. Finally, set compressor input gain low and your interface trim to minimum so you can raise levels safely while monitoring. Now connect the physical cables. Balance TRS or XLR from the compressor output to the chosen interface input to maximize noise immunity. Once connected, route the channel in your DAW or interface control panel to accept external input and enable input monitoring so you hear process sound. Use the compressor's bypass to compare processing. Set attack and release conservatively at first to avoid pumping. This lets you dial threshold and ratio without surprises. Slowly increase. Finish by balancing threshold, ratio, and makeup gain so your output matches the uncompressed level while achieving the desired dynamic control. Make sure to listen for artifacts and measure gain reduction. If you hear pumping, relax the ratio or lengthen the attack. If there's no signal or hum, isolate the problem. Mute channels, swap cables, and try another input to determine whether the compressor, cable, or interface is at fault. One key tip: replace the cable first. It's the simplest failure point.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.